Hello Explorer, hello Mum and Dad, and welcome to the Hope to Heal Club Explore New Foods. We are going to go on a journey together to help you to be calm, confident in trying new foods. I'm super excited and it's going to be a great journey. I understand how frustrating it can really be because you really want to try this new food, but there's a little voice in your mind saying, "No, don't do it! That's disgusting!" So let me introduce you to a very miserable person. And this is Mr. Fear. Say hello, Mr. Fear. He makes everyone cry and very emotional. And also he's a bit of a false alarm. He stops children to eat all healthy foods, including the most important meal of the day, which is breakfast. Naughty, 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 naughty. Mr. Fear only wants you to eat only boring, bland, beige foods like potatoes, chips, bread. Boring. But me and your mum and dad want you to be healthy and be less fearful of the unknown. And I know deep inside you really want to be healthy and strong too, and have more energy at school, at home, and doing the fun things that you love to do. Shall we get rid of Mr. Fear? Yes, let's get rid of him. He's gone. Yay! He might come back. But when he does, we will say, not today, Mr. Fear. But if you think about it, when Mr. Fear is not there, and when we're not worried, we know trying new foods is actually very good for us and helps us to grow our mind and our body. And I know some children are very scared to try anything new or anything healthy because the stress or worries at home and school stops them. But I really want to change that for you and everyone else. This gave me an idea to create these Explore cards for you and your parents, and interactive activity cards based around food, encouraging you to try new foods so mealtimes can be fun and enjoyable again. The purpose is to encourage you to explore new textures, smells, shape, and simple faithful steps. So where did it all start? How did I get this idea? Well, let me tell you my very personal story. I overcome a very long term eating issue myself. I refused to have anything new on my plate. I was worried about the taste, what it will feel like in my mouth, worried if it will make me throw up. I was so scared to try anything new. It was like a big bug on my plate, and I had to eat it. My relationship with new food was very unhealthy indeed. So I completely understand the struggles that you're going through. And you're probably thinking, how did you overcome it? How did you have the strength to get through this long-term eating issue after so many years? The honest answer is when I fell on my knees and I yelled out, hoping someone more stronger and powerful than me would rescue me. I tried all these self-help videos, therapists, avoiding all social gatherings, but nothing helped. And on that darkest hour in that bedroom, on my knees, I quietly said to my heart, if there is a God, please help me. And he did. I didn't know at the time, but looking back, he answered my prayer. He gave me strength to cope and to continue the winding road ahead. I find the word God and religion and rule books a big turn off. In fact, it was a difficult word to digest. Sorry for the pun. But as my journey continues, God is far more than that. He wants to be your friend, to have a fun relationship with you. And what do all friends do? They give each other a helping hand when you're literally at the end of your rope or on your knees. So I knew there was someone bigger, powerful and stronger than me and anyone else. So the key to my survival was to believe and to have faith. So whatever you may be going through, believe that He is God. Take the first step, because faith is a journey, it's not a big race. And all great journeys are up of small, faithful steps. So in these GoXplore cards, I've introduced these powerful words of wisdom from the Bible, which is God's word, and gives us guidance like any wise friend would do. For me, it has given me hope, courage and purpose in my dark days. And I hope these cards blesses you and your family, and you'll be able to see that bright light at the end of that journey together. So now, time to have some fun. So are you ready to have fun and exploring new foods? So you will have a step-by-step journal. You will have 6 GoXplore cards for you, and also 6 cards for your mum and dad. You also will get a pack of yummy quiz cards, which is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, and you will also get for you and your mum and dad some charts to keep you on track. So how it works? Well, there'll be 4 rounds. First round is explore, second round is playtime, third round if you can, and the fourth round, which is the fun part, the golden goodies. After watching this video, you and your parent will do the first round, which is the explore round, which is all about describing the appearance of each food item. You will pick one GoXplore card each day, which is one of these. You will kickstart with the first card, card number 1 from your pack. As you see, there's one for you and there's one for mum and dad. Okay, so you're going to read the fun activity, and on the other side there is a little love note, which is the words of wisdom, and if you need that helping hand. Ta-da. So after you've done the activity, you've done one of the cards, you'll pick one of the yummy quiz cards. So that'll be 1 card per day too. Repeat the steps for the following day, but there is no pressure, okay? So play at your own pace. It's a journey, everyone's different, and all journey requires small, simple steps into the unknown, okay? So if you pass the first round, explore round, email me at hina.wright@icloud.com and you will get your next pack of cards, which is round 2, playtime. This round will be all about touches and smells. It's so much fun. So, are you ready to take your first step to hope today? Come on aboard and let's have some fun. Welcome to the Hope to Heal Club, your road to recovery.